friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. It is time for this month's unboxing and try-on of the Apocalyptic Beauty subscription service. Apocalyptic Beauty is a small indie brand. In case you've never seen one of these videos from me before, I'm going to explain it really quick. They're an indie brand and they offer a monthly subscription service where they send you, I think it's 4 to 6 products from their brand. They are vegan and cruelty free. They have the cutest monthly subscriptions ever. It's all curated around a theme. I always call it kind of like a Halloween theme because it's always something mythical or creature-esque or kind of spooky. I adore it so much. I've been subscribed for about a year now. I think I've gotten 12 or maybe even 13 of these. I pay for it with my own money. The past couple months I've gotten people asking me on like the 1st or 2nd of the month when my video is going up. I get this when you guys get it. I don't get it early. I pay for it with my own money. So when I get it, I film with it and that's just how it goes. It's usually always around the 10th or so of every month that I'm able to film with it or get it up, something like that. But just so you guys know, I do pay for this with my own money. This is $14 a month and I think it's a lot of fun. I also do have a code with Apocalyptic Beauty that happened a few months ago. If you use my code beautbean, you save 15% on their site. It does not work for the monthly subscription, but it does work if you get anything else. I don't get direct money, but I do get store credit if you make a purchase. So thank you very much for the support so I can buy more things. The bag is usually based around loose shadows. Usually there's a glitter or a lip gloss or a liquid lipstick. I think I've gotten a highlighter or a bronzer as well. For the most part, I usually love everything in the bag. I really enjoy their shadow formula. I will say I like to use my NYX glitter primer wherever I put it because they pop even more, but you don't have to. I just highly recommend having that sticky glittery base underneath to let them really shine and do their thing. The mattes are so nice. They blend so beautifully. Let's just get into this month's bag though. I'm not gonna ramble anymore. I'm just really excited. I love this brand so much. This is what the Faerie Witch bag itself looks like. I always love these little bags. They're just convenient for holding little things. You always get candy. We got pixie sticks this time. I cannot remember the last time I had a pixie stick. Morgan's sleeping over tonight. Maybe we can each have a pixie stick and see how that goes. It's probably, I mean, it's just straight sugar. It's not gonna be tasty, although it might be. I have a sweet tooth. And we got 4 things this month. The first thing we got is this Absinthe Gloss. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that's cool. I definitely can safely say I do not own a green gloss. I actually really like their gloss formula. It's not too thick and it has nice shine. I don't know if I will like this by itself, so there's a high chance I will top that over a lipstick, but it's a cool color. Next we got a glitter. It's called Wild Magic and it's really pretty. It has greens and purples and little holographic pieces, and some are leaves, some are just abstract shapes. I'm really excited to play with that. I love the glitters from Apocalyptic Beauty so much. I have so many of them. And then we got 2 shadows. The first one, it's spelled S-I-D-H-E, but it literally says on the card pronounced she. So, she, I don't know what that means. It must be something relating to fairies. It's described as a sparkling mulberry. Let's see. That is okay, I guess. It looks, I wouldn't consider this sparkly. If anything, that kind of plays like a matte. Maybe I will try to use that as a matte kind of in my crease. We will see. I'm not mad about that. I do like mattes from this brand, but we'll see how it applies on the eyes. I do find these shadows do not swatch great, but they usually apply beautifully. And this next one is called Changeling. It is described as a purple with twinkling green sparkles. Ooh, that looks pretty in the package. Let's see. Oh, that looks cool. That looks really cute. I like that. And I can just tell that that's gonna pop a lot when I have glitter primer underneath it as well. I wanna really quick maybe swatch it over glitter primer, see what kind of a difference it makes, just so you can see side by side the difference like that actually shows using the glitter primer versus not. So I'm gonna lay down some glitter primer first. I'm just gonna use that same finger because that's what I do with my brush. I use the same brush to apply. And we are just going to pack it on. Oh yeah, do you see that? The difference? This is why I recommend using glitter primer with these shades. Now I kind of want to swatch the other one with glitter primer just to see. I'm getting so off on a tangent right now. Laying down some glitter primer, dipping into that She shadow. See how much more vibrant that is? That's crazy. It makes so much difference. I still don't really see a ton of sparkle, maybe a tiny bit, but I think I'm going to use that shade as kind of a matte. Because why not? Well, I'm really excited to put that all over my eye. I think that's really pretty. I'm not really sure exactly what kind of look I'm gonna create, but we're gonna create something and it's going to be magical. We are going to become fairy witches in this video. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. I'm going to prime my eyes with my Sigma eyeshadow base and Ignite. I'm not going to set it. And we're gonna get started. I think I might dip into the mini Jawbreaker from Jeffree Star, maybe to use like maybe this shade to kind of blend that mulberry out or something. I don't know. I just needed some mattes to help with this look so that it can be complete. So I'm gonna do all that and we will get going. Can we talk about that I went to wipe my hand off on a towel and this did not budge. This is why I love that primer with my whole heart. It's so good. So I'm gonna dip into She first and I'm just gonna use what's in the cap because I don't want too much on my brush. And I'm just going to use one of these dual-ended Anastasia brushes. And I'm just going to start packing that in my outer corner and crease. We're just going to kind of see what happens. Again, I don't really know what look we're going to do. I think I just want to do something very blown out and smoky. I don't really want any precise cut crease or anything like that, but who knows what I'll do. I think this is as good a place as any to stop here. I'm going to take Foreplay now from the Jeffree Star Mini Jawbreaker palette. And I'm just taking this fluffy Royal and Langnickel dual-ended brush. I'm just going to start blending right above what I just laid down, just to help soften things up and get it nice and blended. But I don't care if it's a bit dramatic and dark. Grungy looks are my favorite looks always. It cracks me up when once in a while someone asks me to do more soft, ethereal, pretty looks. I'm like, do you not know who I am? I don't do those very often. The only time I really do those is when I'm playing with a palette that kind of forces me to do it. You won't really catch me in soft looks too often. There are a billion people that do those kinds of looks. You can watch one of them. But it ain't me. Really want to blend a good amount of this pink on my lower lash line, specifically in my eye bag zone. I'm taking a little bit more of that first She shade and I'm taking that on the little smudgy side of that brush and I'm going to just really make sure I'm packing some of that close to the lower lashes. And then blend it out some more. All right, it is time for the purple moment. I'm gonna take Changeling. I'm gonna use the packing side of that Anastasia brush. I'm taking my NYX glitter primer first, just a little dot of it. And I'm going to pack this all across the lid. And I'm just gonna dip right into that shadow with the same brush and everything, and we're just gonna start going to town. Oh, it's so pretty. Holy cow. Alright, I'm just going to have a moment of silence for this shadow. Let it speak for itself. It's so pretty. This is so pretty. I love it. My eye looks so bruised in the best way. I'm gonna pick up just a teeny bit more of that on kind of the edge of the brush and I wanna pop a little bit just kind of right here in the front, just for a little bit of sparkle. Oh, we have to play with the glitter too. I totally forgot about the glitter. I got so excited about this purple shadow. Well, cool. I'm always down to play with some glitter. Well, I like the way this looks quite a lot. What do I want in my waterline? Let's figure that out. What does my glitter look like? Let's also figure that out. Purples and greens. Maybe I'll lay my glitter first and then pop in a waterline color because I don't know if I'm going to go with purple or green. We will see. I need a brush though. So I'm just going to use this random Urban Decay one. This one's usually my go-to for glitter because I just do not care if it gets ruined. Oh, there's little flowers in it too. That's adorable. I'm thinking I kind of want them all under my lower lash line. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So I'm just going to take some glitter primer on the packing side of this dual-ended brush. Make sure to get it in your lashes. That's exactly what you want. Also, disclaimer as always, chunky glitters like this are not technically safe for the eye area ever. Use at your own risk. Be careful. If you get glitters in your eye, you can potentially harm your eye. So, just something to note. going to take some glitter now and put it right next to my eye. I don't think I really want to drag this down far. Like, I don't want glitter tears or anything. I just want glitter under my eye. I kind of don't love this glitter with this look though. I think I'm going to kind of go through and flick some of it off with my tweezers. I think that's better. It still has like plenty of sparkle. It's very glittery still, of course, but it's better. I kind of think I want to take this one. What are you even called? Electric Daisy from Colourpop? Because that kind of goes with the green shift and the glitter. I think I'm going to try that. I think this is okay. I would have definitely preferred this look, I think, without the glitter for once, and I never say that because I love glitter. But I really liked how smoky it was before the glitter. But I still like it, and I think once like my mascara and the other eye and stuff like that is complete, it'll look better. So I'm going to do all that, throw on my lashes. I'm going to try the gloss by itself. I'll probably show you what it looks like, and if it doesn't look good, then I will put it on top of a lipstick. So I will be back. So this is what Absinthe looks like by itself. I am not a huge fan of it by itself. I don't think it looks right on me. Maybe on somebody else it would. But this, I wanted to show you because I'm sure someone would have wanted to know. I'm going to take the gloss off, put on a lipstick, and put the gloss on top of it, and I think that'll be a lot cuter, so I'll be back. All right, this is the final look. What do you think? I ended up taking Purgatory liquid lipstick, which is a really dark purple from Black Moon Cosmetics, and then topping Absinthe over top of it. And it just kind of looks like a really dark purpley black color with some shine. I don't hate it. I think it's cute. It's not necessarily something I'll reach for again necessarily. I don't know. I probably won't really reach for this green lip gloss. I can't think of too many occasions that I'll just feel compelled to use it. But I do like it with this look. I think the completed look is really cute. I actually do like the glitter a lot with the eye look now that everything's just kind of done. I don't know, I think it's pretty. I really like the shimmery purple shadow. I think it performed beautifully. I like that more mulberry shade in my crease. I think that's really cute. And overall, I like this bag. I think the lip gloss is the only thing I'm just kind of whatever about, and it's not like I hate it or anything, it's just not for me. But what do you guys think? Do you like this look? Do you like how I used the things in the bag? Do you subscribe to the service? Did you get the bag this month? I would love to chat about it. Next month's theme is going to be Scarab Queen. That's going to be really cool. I'm not sure what that's going to be, but I'm looking forward to it. If you enjoyed this Apocalyptic Beauty subscription unbagging and try on, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every day for the most part. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.